Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we'll talk about idempotent matrix and identity matrix. So we write idempotent matrix and identity matrix. Both these matrices are special form of square matrix. So both of them are what? Both of them are square matrix. And we know that in case of a square matrix, number of rows is equal to number of columns. In case of an idempotent matrix, it will be a square matrix. Say we express idempotent matrix with ID. It will be a square matrix. So number of rows will be equal to number of columns. Say this is a 3 by 3 idempotent matrix. 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1. See here, all the elements are either 0 or 1. We can say that in an idempotent matrix, all the elements are either 0 or 1. Now in case of an identity matrix, here also all the elements are either 0 or 1, but in case of an identity matrix, say if we take a 3 by 3 identity matrix, the elements in the principal diagonal will be 1 and all the remaining elements will be 0. So this is I3 because there are 3 rows and 3 columns. If we want to write I2, we will have 2 rows, 1 and 1 in principal diagonal, 0 and 0 in other places. This is a 2 by 2 identity matrix. If we want to write I4, that means this matrix will have 4 rows and 4 columns, 1 1 1 1 in principal diagonal, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Here in principal diagonal we have 1 and in other places we have 0. We can say that identity matrices are some form of idempotent matrix. Again, if we want to write I1, that means it will just be a matrix with 1 row and 1 column, and there will be just only 1. Well, this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.